Welcome! Today we're going to learn how to check the print quality on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. On the control panel, press the ink button. Press the down arrow repeatedly until the Improve Print Quality option is displayed. Then press OK. Arrow down until the Alignment for Uneven Lines option is displayed. Then press OK. Now press the right arrow. Press the right arrow again. Select Auto Adjustment by pressing the right arrow. Select your paper size. Now press the right arrow. When the test sheet prints, open the scanner cover and place the sheet face down. Ensure the black dot is at the back left corner of the scanner. Now press the right arrow. The machine should now be aligned. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.